Hello friends, I am Rushiraj and today we are going to see about different editions, different types of Java. What are the different types or editions of Java? There are lot of types of according to each and according to applications, but mainly Java has mainly three different editions. First is the Java Standard Edition, second is the Java Enterprise Edition, and third is the Java Micro Edition. The fact is the content in Java Micro Edition it also available in Java Standard Edition, but the that content as well as more than Micro Edition content available in Java Standard Edition. And similarly Java the Java Standard Edition means the top of the Java Standard Editions nothing but Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, next in Java Standard Edition you can develop offline desktop softwares or applications like antivirus etc. In Java Enterprise Edition the wide applications like web application, cloud based application, server side applications, for example swap system of different companies like Tata the swap system etc. These are the examples of Java Enterprise Editions application. Next, Java Micro Editions. In Java Micro Editions, you can develop small scale applications which is work on only smartphones, mobiles, and on Android TVs, etc. Android TV is nothing but smart TVs. In that also programming is necessary, and for that Micro Edition is used. Java Micro Edition. The Java Standard Edition is the best for beginner developers, and Java Enterprise Edition is a suitable for suitable for experienced developers. Okay, next Java Standard Edition does not comes with user authentication, but Java Enterprise Edition inbuilt comes with user authentication. Why Java Enterprise Edition comes with user authentication? Because Java Enterprise Edition in Java Enterprise Edition wide range of important programs are developed or consist, and for that more security is required. For this Java user authentication is provided in Java Enterprise Edition. Java Standard Edition it does not necessary, because in that we just develop small basic applications. In Java Standard Edition all basic data about Java like classes, interfaces, etc., as well as commonly used libraries and packages are consistent in Java Standard Edition. But in Java Enterprise Edition, lot of packages and each and every rarely used, commonly used libraries and every data available in Java Enterprise Edition. The widely and most popular edition which is all companies are used is Java Enterprise Edition, because it is more secure and it has lot of functionalities. Java Micro Edition has a limited purpose or application, but Java Micro Edition it is a more portable because its size is very small. Java Micro Editions only need SDK Java software development kit to develop software as well as to run that software. But in Java Standard Edition you need JDK in that JDK means Java Development Kit. Java Standard Edition consists Java Virtual Machine, but in Java Enterprise Edition it consists API as well as virtual machine to to run the program. Next, Java Standard Edition. In Java Standard Edition, the codes does not separate in different layers, but in Java Enterprise Edition, each and every code is separated with its different layers. The layers is another topic, but advantages of layers concept is because of layers, the security of the program will be increased, as well as the reusability is increased and it will become robust. That's all about editions of Java. Thank you.